Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this beautiful olive green eyeshadow look. I'm loving olive green recently and I haven't worn olive green eyeshadow in like forever, at least that's what it feels like. So today I created this look right here using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Today's video will be talk through style, so I hope you guys are excited, and without further ado, we'll go ahead and jump into the video. I'm going to start by taking this color right here and use this as my first transition shade, and I'm using, as always, a Morphe R38 brush to blend this out all over my crease, and I'm bringing it into my inner corner as well. Using the same Morphe R38 brush, I'm going to use this color right here and apply it in the same exact areas as the first transition shade. So I'm dipping into this color a couple of times just to really build it up and get a nice smooth transition for the other colors. Taking a little bit more of the first transition shade, I'm going to blend this up pretty much to my brow. Next, I'm going to be taking this color right here. I'm going to use this on the same exact areas that I applied the other transition colors, but this color I'm keeping a little bit closer to the crease and the outer corner, because now we're going to start adding that dimension. I'm using a Wet n Wild blending brush. So on the R38 brush, I'm going to take that previous yellow shade and use that to blend out that color. Because you don't want this yellow color to go away, but you really want it to still pop through. So I'm just applying a little bit of that and blending it out. So right now, before I go any deeper, I'm going to take this color right here and use it to highlight my brow bone. Alright, so now it's time to deepen things up. So I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to use it on the outer corner and my crease. And this color I'm going to keep as low as possible. So I'm going to just use a really small brush. Today I'm using the Morphe M138 brush to apply this color. I love this brush because it allows you to apply the color, and then since it's a little fluffy, you can lightly begin to blend it out, like I said, lightly. Now I'm going to be taking this shade right here in a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to use this to blend out that green a little bit, and we're going to go back in and play with the green and this color just to blend it out to the way we need it to be blended out. So just make sure that you're going back and forth slowly, blending everything out, so you make sure that nothing is too harsh and everything just has that nice gradient blend. I'm going to go back in with more of the green because when we start to blend it out a little bit, it takes away from that really green, that forest green color. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the green on the Morphe 514 just to lightly feather that upwards. So we started to lose that warm color and that yellow tone that we had when we first applied the transitions. So I'm just reapplying it a little bit. This is going to help, like I said, make everything look super blended. Using the R38, I'm applying a little bit more of that yellow color to bring that back a little bit. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipey and just clean up the edges of the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here and apply it all over my lid. And I did spray my brush with a little bit of a setting spray just to really make this color pop and look super, super pigmented. I'm going to apply a little bit more of that green color, kind of bring it back and blend it into the lid shade. I'm going to highlight my inner corner using the AMREZY and Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. I'm going to take some NYX matte liquid liner and just do a line straight across my lash line. Alright you guys, today's eyelashes are from iikon eyelashes, and these are in the style Trophy Wife. Aren't these just so stunning? And I thought they were going to be perfect for this look. Although they are a thick band, they're so comfortable to wear and they're really easy to apply. I'm going to throw in a little mascara really quick. I'm going to apply a little eye primer to the lower lash line. Then I'm going to blend that out so we can start applying the eyeshadow. So you guys already know the deal with the lower lash line. I'm going to use all the eyeshadows that I used on top, on the bottom, in the same exact order that I used them. So I'm going to do that really quick and then we'll get on to a lip color. So for lips today, I'm going to take the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in the shade Give Me Mocha. And I'm going to apply that all over my lips. And then right on the center, I'm going to top it off with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Driver. Alright guys, that about wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this look and you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. And of course, I'll just see you guys in my next one. Bye!